So this is a continuation of the introduction to geometric sequences. So I'm looking at some harder geometric sequence questions now. So these kind of questions are when we've been given information that it is a geometric sequence and we've got the third term, which you can see is 10, and the sixth term, which is 80. We've got to find the first term and the common ratio. So let's write down two known equations using these values. So the general equation that we've been using up to here is AR to the power n minus 1. So let's write down the information of the third term. So T3 equals 10. And we can also say that 10 equals A, common ratio we don't know, R to the, if it's the third term, then 3 minus 1 is 2. So that's equation 1, 10 equals AR squared. Let's write the second equation down. We know that the sixth term, T6, equals 80. So let's write that down. So 80 equals AR, sixth term, take away 1 to the power 5. And that's our equation 2. What I'm going to do is I'm going to solve these two equations simultaneously. So we're going to solve that by dividing equation 2 by equation 1. So we write that down as 80 equals AR to the power 5 divided by 10 AR squared. So 80 divided by 10 is 8. A cancels out. We use our index laws to subtract those, so we're left with R cubed. Cube root the R and cube root the 8, and we get that R equals the cube root of 8, which is 2. So R equals 2. Now we've got to find the first term, so we do that by substituting this into one of these equations here. So let's just pick the first equation, and we go 10 equals A times 2 to the power 2. Well, 2 to the power 2 is 4, so we get 10 equals 4A. So therefore, A equals 10 divided by 4, which is 5 over 2, or 2.5. We've now found the first term and the common ratio.